Wow, he's nailing it.
I know, shut up.
Speaking of farting, I gotta fart.
Go fart out there.
Okay, it went away. I sucked it back up like Peter. Turn on the lights. Make sure it looks good. I think I missed the other one. Ugh. Alright, we set up. You look pretty today. Hey, you look really pretty today. Can we do the video in like about 5-10 minutes? That's all I need. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ramir.
I'm Elisha.
The blood is not my brain right now. I'm a coach.
I'm a teacher.
Today we've got an awesome video. This one's Peter farting compilation Family Guy. I don't think you're gonna enjoy this one. I know I'm gonna enjoy it.
It's part of my daily life. Why not?
Yeah, she farts all the time.
Yeah, all the
In the
time.
bed, everywhere.
Yeah.
Especially at the gym.
Yeah, when I'm running. It just never ends.
I still love you.
Whatever.
You tell him all your secrets, huh?
Yeah, just let it all out. Literally. Okay, let's get started, please.
Alright.
Excuse me.
You're turning red, Teach.
I guess I'll see if I can get my old gig back selling butt scratches at the ballpark.
What are you doing?
Let's start that
Need some
again,
water?
please. Yeah, start that again.
Alright.
I guess I'll see if I can get my old gig back selling butt scratches at the ballpark.
Butt
Butt
scratchers?
scratcher! Butt scratcher! Get your butt scratcher here! Butt scratcher!
We've got a butt scratcher.
Butt scratcher!
Butt scratcher.
Butt scratcher!
Butt scratcher.
Butt scratcher! I've been selling butt scratches. Butt scratcher!
No, Peter.
Butt scratcher!
Peter, no.
Butt scratcher!
No.
Butt scratcher.
I love
Hey,
it.
Quagmire, you know you got Chris suspended from school for telling one of your dirty jokes.
Oh, gosh, Peter, I'm sorry. You want me to talk to him?
Well, no, actually, I want you to tell me the joke.
Yeah, tell us the joke.
You want to hear it? All right. So this chick meets a guy at a bar, and
Oh, come on, man. I want to hear it.
P.S. Your vagina's in the sink.
Oh, God, I pooped my pants.
It's funny when it happens to other people.
Oh. Hey, Peter.
Yeah, that's the end of those underwears. I didn't know what to do, so I took them off and hummed them at the wall, and they started sliding down like one of them sticky octopuses.
Well, it's a pretty funny joke, you know, when you think about it. Your vagina's in the sink.
Damn it!
I want to hear
Wow.
it.
He poops every time he hears that joke.
Yeah, he does, doesn't he?
No, no. It's evil mind.
Get out of here, Quagmire. I just put on clean pants. Who's texting me?
Another joke.
Damn it! Stop it, you guys! You're ruining all my clothes!
Okay, Quagmire, he's asleep.
Inception? Oh. Joke. Oh, wow.
Peter, you just pooped all over the bed.
When you poop in your dreams, you poop for real. Hello, fellas.
Hey, Peter. Hey, those are my pants.
That's right. Thought I'd come by and see if you have any jokes to tell. I enjoy a joke.
I don't know. I want to tell the joke, but I like those pants.
I'll tell the joke.
Go ahead, Joe. I'm all anus.
Joe,
I'm
don't
all
you
anus.
dare. I'll push you straight into trap.
To be available
Oh.
for those who
What was that? Oh, that doesn't feel right. Oh, man. I think that cookie dough is fighting that taco I found in the parking lot. I just hope I can hold it in till the meeting's over.
And now, 23 minutes of silence for the 23 workers who drowned in the batch
It's
this
gonna be
year.
loud.
Oh, God. It hurts. It hurts.
Of course it hurts, Griffin. They were good men, all of them.
I can't hold it in.
You don't have to, Griffin. Let it out.
I'm
That's
just
what we're
Princess Leia.
here for.
This was supposed to be 23 minutes of silence, and there's kind of a lot of conversation going on.
Yeah!
Hey, Peter, my kid's selling Girl Scout cookies.
We're collecting for Janet's pregnancy. Softball sign up? Trick or treat for UNICEF? Oh, pitch in for Ed's retirement cake? Holiday party? Company picnic?
Secret Santa? Carpool info?
Oh, finally! Now I can get myself to the... Uh-oh! Oh, man, now everyone's gonna remember me for this.
Why is he
I wanted to be
watching
remembered for my
United
achievement in film.
What the heck's going
See the Weinsteins?
Peter, bingo was Joe's favorite thing. Now you go over there and take him with you, or I don't want you going at all.
Hey, don't try to take this away from me. This is the only thing I've ever been good at. Well, this and timing my farts to a thunderstorm.
Why don't we all go ahead and turn to page 6 in the handout? The first thing you're going to notice is a bar graph. And what that is to indicate our international sales, which peaked, of course, during the last quarter. But now, we're expecting that to drop off as we enter the colder weather.
The storm's moving away. This waitress is prettier than my wife. I could kill my family with a knife. We'll sail around the world by ship. I'll give my whole wad as a tip. But first I'll kill my family with a knife.
Yes, he's gonna kill his family with a knife.
Irregardless of this waitress, I will kill them with a knife.
I'm your friend. That's what I said.
Yo, welcome back to America's Got Talent. Let's welcome our next performer, here to play the harmonica, Peter Griffin.
Hi.
So, where are you from, Peter?
I'm from Quahog, Rhode Island.
Woohoo! Cowherd!
That's my family. My wife daytime drinks on vacation.
Okay, Peter,
That's a good
let's
idea.
hear what you've got.
Well, there goes my music career. Wonder if I can get my old job back, painting kids' faces at birthday parties. There you go, Timmy.
Sir, you're gonna have to leave. You're just drawing penises with a Sharpie on children's faces.
I don't know how to draw a cat.
That was good. That was good. That was good.
Yeah, I'm sure you.
I'm gonna try the harmonica trick.
Oh, please.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
You gonna buy me one? Maybe I can try it on this. You guys know what this is? Alright, first person to mention that on the comment. Oh, okay. I won't do it on camera. But first person to mention what that is. You guys see it?
Yes, I can see.
Wins. You win nothing, but you win.
Wow. Okay. Well, that was quite entertaining. Peter Griffin farting compilation.
That was fun. I enjoyed it a lot. That was really cool.
I hope you enjoyed it too, and I hope we don't have to sit here and say what our favorite part was, okay? Not with this compilation, but if you feeling excited and want to put it in the comments below, you go right ahead. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We appreciate you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to spray. Bye-bye.